Hello, it's Jeanette J Beauty and welcome to my channel. Today is wash day obviously, and I'm going to be washing my hair after about 7 days of not washing it. I've been rocking this curly puff for a few days now because I do go to the gym and I just want my hair out of my face. So I am so happy to take this scarf off and just wash my hair, get rid of all the dirt, oil, buildup, and just add a lot of moisture back into my hair because look, this is how my hair looks after a week, and I just need to add a lot of moisture back into my hair. So today's wash day is going to focus on moisture and some popping curls. So I'm going to start off by misting my hair with a good amount of water in the spray bottle. I just have water only because I love to damp detangle. Now my hair doesn't really get tangled, but sometimes, especially in the back, I definitely need a little bit more TLC back there. So after I have separated my hair into quadrants, I'm going to apply one of my favorite products, and this is by African Pride. This is their Moisture Miracle Pre-Shampoo Treatment, and I absolutely love it. It's very thick and concentrated, and it helps to detangle my hair, add some moisture, and get my curls clumped together, and I absolutely love it for that reason. I just love the way my curls clump together, and after wash day, I'm going to style my hair into a wash and go. So I definitely need my curls clump, my curls popping, all the above. I just really need my hair to look its best. So this is why today, for my wash day, I am going to focus it on just really getting my hair nice and balanced between moisture and protein, so my curls are popping and my wash day will also be popping. Now that I'm almost done applying this pre-shampoo treatment to this quadrant, you can really see how well my curls are clumped together, and this is exactly what I want. I really want to add that moisture back into my hair because us naturals, we definitely need some moisture. So I want to go into wash day already, with a win. I want a successful wash day, and anytime that I use this African Pride pre-shampoo treatment, I know that I'm going to get a lot of moisture. My curls are going to be clumped and popping together. I love smoothing this product in my hair because it feels so good. It's very thick and my curls just clump, and it just feels so hydrated and moisturized and so healthy. And fast forward to the front, I have finished applying the pre-shampoo treatment to my hair. Here's how it looks. My curls are super defined and I really love it. So I am going to continue to twist my hair, and then I'm going to go in the shower. Fast forward to the shower, I'm just going to remove the clips, and you can already see how well my hair is just so moisturized. And this is what I always want, especially when I want a really nice moisturized wash day. Just look at these curls. This is exactly why I love using this African Pride pre-shampoo treatment. It works amazing. And I also love to pre-poo my hair just as a treatment to do before shampooing my hair. I'm going to rinse out this treatment with lukewarm water, and just look at how my hair is just so clumped together, so moisturized. I absolutely love it. I'm going to put my hair back into quadrants, and for my shampoo, I'm going to use the Olaplex No. 4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo. Now, I really love the shampoo. It is on the thicker side. It's creamy, and when I put it in my hair, it feels like an oil-based shampoo, if that makes any sense. So it is a little bit thicker and it's creamy. I just love the lather I get. My hair feels really nice and clean, but not stripped of any moisture. And it also gets my curls popping because it helps to balance between moisture and protein in your hair and really clump those curls together. So anytime I know I really need my curls looking good when I style my hair, this is one of the shampoos that I use. When shampooing my hair and scalp, I just wanted to note that I'm being very gentle with my scalp. I'm not using my fingernails. I'm just using the pads of my fingertips and just really massaging, getting the excess dirt, oil, debris, product buildup off my scalp, and just working the shampoo down the length of my hair. I also think that's very important to do, and I just really go in. I just really want to make sure that I get all the excess dirt, oil buildup, everything that I don't want on my hair or scalp off, and see how my curls are clumping together. Every time I see and feel my curls clump together, I just jump for joy inside. I just get so happy because I know my style is going to just look really good, feel really good. My hair is soft, it's smooth, it's hydrated, it's healthy, it's moisturized, it feels soft. all the above. I mean, I just love when my hair gets like this because I know I have a successful wash day and my style is just going to really come out good. And obviously, after I work the shampoo in all 4 sections, I'm just going to remove the clips and then just massage my scalp and work the shampoo down the length of my hair. And then I'm going to rinse the shampoo out with some warm water. I always rinse my hair with warm water before I shampoo and after I shampoo my hair. It's just really good. And then as far as conditioner and deep conditioner, I always rinse out with cool water. Now I'm going to put my hair back into quadrants, and for my conditioner, I'm using the Camille Rose Moroccan Pear conditioner, and I absolutely love this conditioner. It provides a great amount of moisture to my hair, and I definitely need that because, like I said, when I have a good amount of moisture, my curls are just more cooperative and I just love it. Now, I'm not going to get a moisture overload because the products I'm using are also helping to balance that out, especially the Olaplex. But look how my hair is. Of course, this is before I comb my hair, and this is another reason why I comb the conditioner in, because it really helps to work that conditioner in, and I'm really reaping all the benefits that the conditioner has to offer. I really want to make sure that I am using all these products to the best of their benefit. I don't want to just apply products for the sake of it, but I really want to get my worth out of these products because a lot of these can be pretty pricey. So I really want to work each product in my hair and just make sure that I can feel how soft, smooth, and moisturized and my curls clump together. That is how I really know these products are really working for my hair. If you feel that your hair, it just doesn't feel good, or it feels dry or brittle or just rough, or gets frizzy after you rinse the product, or even if you have these products in, then that means that the product is not for you most likely. But you see how my hair is just so receptive to these products. This is what I want, and I am always twisting my hair after I apply moisturizing products because it just really helps to lock that moisture in my hair. So after I have worked in the conditioner in the sections, I'm just going to rinse it out and see how soft and moisturized. I wish you could feel my hair. It just felt so good. It had a nice weight to it, and it just felt so moisturized and soft and smooth. I absolutely love when my hair feels nice and smooth. Now for my deep conditioner, I'm using Eden Body Works Natural Deep Conditioner, and this is definitely one of my favorite deep conditioners because it really gets my curls clumping together. I really want to end this wash day off on a good note, and I know anytime I use this deep conditioner, my curls are definitely going to be nice and curled and clumped and popping for sure. So I definitely want to make sure that I am using products that I know are really going to get my hair in tip-top shape. So these products definitely work for me in this order. I always pre-poo my hair, always use a shampoo, use a conditioner, and I always deep condition. I mean, look at this curl definition. This is exactly what I want and exactly what I need, especially when I'm doing a wash and go. I really think that when you have a successful wash day, you are more prone to having a successful hairstyle. And obviously you could see that I'm rinsing out the conditioner in quadrants. I mean, my whole wash day and style process is in sections, but I do this because it works the best for me. But you could see I'm rinsing out the conditioner and then immediately putting in the deep conditioner. And ever since I've been doing this for over a year now, my hair has just felt so much smoother, healthier, and just hydrated overall. So I definitely recommend for you to do this because while the conditioner is in, it's also helping to further condition and nourish my hair until I rinse it, and then I put the deep conditioner in. So it's like bam, 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 immediately condition my hair, leave it in. My hair, it just felt so soft and smooth and just healthy, hydrated, moisturized, everything. And then I go in immediately after I rinse that out and put the deep conditioner in. And once I rinse the deep conditioner out, oh my gosh, I'm telling you, my hair is so soft, so smooth, so moisturized, and it's not so soft to where I have a moisture overload and my hair feels mushy, but it's just really soft. Just, it feels really good, really healthy. And I also used a plastic cap to further intensify the deep conditioning treatment. I pretty much always do this while I take my shower unless I'm using a deep conditioner that has protein in it, because I don't want to mess my hair up that way. But with moisture, I'll definitely put a plastic cap on, and then after I take my shower, I am going to rinse the deep conditioner out with cold water just to help seal in this cuticle, seal in that moisture, hydration, all that goodness that we want. And here is how my hair looks after I rinse everything out. Of course, I'm going to use my cotton t-shirts to soak up any excess water, and this is how much hair shed. I really hope that you enjoyed my video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!